Well, it's turning out to be a pretty nice day across Acadiana with a decent amount of sunshine. We'll see some clouds mixed in as we head through the afternoon. Maybe a stray shower along the coast as our frontal boundary is stalled over the northern Gulf of Mexico. It looks like our temperatures today will climb back into the upper 80s with humid conditions remaining. Even though we had that front go through, the northerly flow has brought the dry air in the upper levels of the atmosphere, mid and upper levels. But down at the ground here at the surface, we're still kind of humid, and that's why we saw some patchy fog earlier this morning. Another cold front, though, is scheduled to roll through here on Thursday, and that'll clear things out nicely for the weekend, dropping our temperatures, especially during the nighttime hours. A bit of evidence of that frontal boundary still over western Texas and parts of Oklahoma, so it's going to take a little while to get here. We had a little fog this morning. Frontal boundary will remain in the offshore waters. Isolated shower or thunderstorm possible along the coast today with temperatures pushing into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees. And then it looks like tonight we'll see some patchy fog redeveloping across Acadiana as our temperatures drop back into the upper 60s. Meanwhile, looking at the satellite and radar composite there over the Atlantic Ocean, two disturbances, one closer to the Leeward Islands, the other one out in the central part of the Atlantic. The larger one there to the right or farther to the east has a better chance for development a little later on down the road. Partly cloudy, warm and humid today with a high of 89, and then we'll fall back into the upper 60s with some patchy fog possible later tonight. Tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds, warm and humid, a 30% chance for an afternoon storm, a high of 91. Then we'll dry out Thursday with the frontal boundary coming through, and that'll drop our temperatures nicely over the weekend. Still a little warm during the day, but cooling off nicely at night, upper 50s and low 60s at night, with temperatures during the day in the upper 80s. So some fall-like weather will be moving back into play as we head toward the weekend. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker in the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Thanks for visiting KATC.com.